so it's rough. You have to put on your foot. There's something out there where you must can do. There's something where you must like. So I don't know what you think about, but as you know, Paul Bogle Jr. them offer electrical, general construction, housekeeping, plumbing, and a variety of things where you can choose. My punchy, things really rough. I know you know this.
Yes, Daddy, I understand.
And I'm like more push out there, me that do the world for you. I'm here, Daddy. And anything me can do for make you happy, me go do it. But just bear with me. You have to help me. You have to help me. So, what you need for the Monday morning, you go to high school bright and early. Your friend Sandra Lee, you can tell her on the 2 hours go down because she get fair subject them too. And say what you like. And then we take it from there. I want the best for you.
Yes, Daddy, I understand. And I'm going to make you proud. Because we know the struggles we go through. And you know, so I like cosmetology. I mean, even me do my hair, you know. I love every bit of it. I mean, even want to have one shop. Because I love Jesus Christ. Well, Daddy, I understand. And I know the struggles we go through. I'm going to make you proud. And you know, I love cosmetology. I love the hair. I even the one, me that think about to have one shop to do cosmetology, like hair and nails and all of that. So I always think about the hair. And even me do my hair now.
Alright.
So I'm good on it.
Understand.
I'm sure I will come out to something better.
Alright. Over Paul Bogle High School, I said them offer cosmetology along with some other things. I know you do well. I feel like I can dominate it. I believe in you. I have you from your local baby, from your local tact. I'm not give up on you. I just wish me did have more for offer, but as you know. But at the end of the day, just have to push on. You just need to help me. You just need to come on board and play your part. I will support you as much as I can with the look I have, but you just have to help me out. So long we up here. Almost night, you know. So come in. What do I want for dinner though? Yeah, but here we are. Yeah man, so I'm gonna tell them I want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Life is a funny thing. My teacher used to beat something the girls they made. Every day Miss Aggie used to come in and sing, "Girls, when climbing the ladder of success, don't let a guy look under your dress, because he will say it looks fine, but in 9 months' time it's not mine."
No, Daddy,
You laugh. You could take it as a joke. But remember, me and your father, I want the best of you. And that's why me I say it. You might see it as a joke, but take it very seriously. You have some youth, them cunning. Them are going to tell you the world when them want to look at something there. And them are going to say the use you. Them give you everything. Just see that one moment there. And you see the moment them let go that look at Joes there. I hit that. You know, hear back from them. You know, see them and just disappear. You wonder if it's a ghost. Be careful.
Yes, Daddy.
Be warned.
Yes, Daddy. But I'm not really interested in a no boy. I only focus on my cosmetology and a school I'm interested in. And if I have my own shop and make you proud. That's all.
Tosh, I'm going to tell you. Nothing wrong if you see one local guy where you like. Because you're a girl. You're a girl. And them say opposite attracts. So that's why you have the magnet attract to steal and them look thing there. So you're going to see one local man where you like. A man I go see a local girl where you like. That's natural. You see me? The problem with me to have is if you see one girl and like one girl, that's a no-no. Not in a marriage.
No, Daddy, I'm not depending on something there. Girls to girls. No?
So funny. You laugh. You laugh. A serious thing. And the reason I tell you this is because I whole heap of distraction there road. We need to understand life. Life is not easy better roads as how you see it. You need to understand say yo, what happening in the world today is crazy. I mean I got there 24/7 if you can guide you. Yes, I'm a phone call away. But at the same time, you know, must think about that at the time. So what more you do, more you be able to think and think very swiftly. Understand? Don't make nobody trick you, don't make nobody use you.
Yes, Daddy.
If you see one way you like, you search him out, and then you can decide from there. You can come and talk to me. I'm here for you. Some people fear to talk to them about sex and all them things. I'm not going to hide nothing from you. Them tell them so then drop out of sky and all them foolish. So that's why I pick them hide and do it. Instead of play hide and seek and them things. But you're grown. You have life. Anyways, I get something to catch up my stomach. So if you want to feed food in our kitchen.
Alright.
Dasha! 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 Well, go on. You know, so around the corner, I see you doing something just compel me to call you. What's up?
I'm here.
You can tell me, sir, Natasha. What's up?
Tell Natasha my name. Sasha.
Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. You know, I must have got it confused. So, you know, can I get to know you? Dasha! 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 Dasha!
Oh.
Hey, what's up? I thought that was you. Hi.
I'm Natasha my name. Sasha.
Oh, so I'm sorry, I must have got it confused. You know? Yeah, I saw you walking down there and I was compelled to come speak to you. Can I get your number?
Wait. I don't know you. Who are you?
You don't remember me?
No.
I'm Epic. Nice to meet you.
From?
You really don't remember me?
I can't.
You don't remember me? I'm Epic. We got to the same registration. Remember we were registering, you were registering for Cosmetology, I think, and I was doing barbering. You don't remember me? Epic?
No, I can't recall. No, I can't remember you.
Well, that's fine, you know, but still, I was admiring you from the other day and I was just wondering if I could get to know you somewhere.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from around the area, I live around here. You know, every day I saw you and I just was compelled to come speak to you right now, so.
Okay.
I wanted to try my luck. Could I get your number?
Maybe next time when we book up. Maybe next time me give you it. Alright?
But we're booking up now and like this is the next time. I just never said anything the first time.
Alright, may I give me number? They can't call me certain time. After 8 is a no-no.
That's okay.
They get my right name, Sasha.
Alright, it was nice speaking to you.
What the?
Yes, this is the cell phone video, people. So, may I try work on one, like, I don't know my story them set already. May I try work on one, like, single father concept kind of thing, how single father household work with him that and man looking that and him something. But, I don't know, people, I'm telling you something. As I know, see Richie work hard, you know. Richard Brown them they do so seriously hard work because like I don't want to get one Father's Day concept thing it done for you guys where as me I say how the household or how I imagine a household to be with a single father and him daughter and him have trouble with man I look him daughter and them kind of something there. But me don't know, probably because me the police and me have one whole heap of different people that come so me have one understanding of certain things. But me think probably for the average person it's kind of difficult for them to recreate that kind of picture. So like me don't know. But I will forever be trying these things until me probably buck up on a group of people where it thing does mesh one kind of way. But me there people, me I try a thing. As you remember there I try a thing and me tour out the whole of Jamaica. And I meet new people, I film all of that, But one that I looked on a while ago is basically just a synopsis. Kind of Anjo, you can ban every young bike, please. Just ban every single one of them. Every one of them. They don't make no sense in our place. Or not ban them. Get them to take off the load muffler business there. But yeah, people, as my dad say, that is not really is they want to just watch if you kind of give one, well, I just share something I play with, one kind of idea or a concept I try to develop. And then I go back to the drawing board, write up again and thing. But because I'm not posting a while and it's because I take up this thing for myself now about more shoot full length movie. But Jaja, it rough. It rough. Especially when you alone I do it as the shooter, the director, the editor. Like when I fear head alone, the picture in a one kind of way you have to like paint out everything and I shoot for editing. Yeah man, it really get tiring and all them something. Then I was so up and down and all over the place again. Yeah, but still there people, my dear man. Bless upon yourself, manners and respect for the support. Jano, thank you no, for this tremendous amount of support on I give me people. I don't stop film. It's just that I don't get comfortable yet, like I don't settle down like nowhere yet or find one group of people and I feel like say yo, yeah, I can't really tell some story when I want to tell. Because I can't do comedy. My life not really have no whole heap of joke in it. So I can't really tell comedy. But anyways, enough of my chatting now. Pick up on yourself later and me soon. More video come man. No worry yourself. Video come. I look at I'm supposed to look this. Later. Remember to subscribe. Look more.